Today we are getting our clean on. Let's do it. No matter what happens during the day, I like knowing that at the end of it, I can walk into a sanctuary. Okay, so what's my favorite way to maintain my home? Zone cleaning. I have the everyday tidies I do of the main rooms, and then each day of the week, I clean a different area of my house. I keep it really simple. I don't go super crazy, mostly because I can't. Hey, Owen, can I make the bed?
No!
I aim for 80% of it done 80% of the time. Today, I was working on the bedrooms. And let me share with you one of my favorite products, these e-cloth gloves. I love e-cloths. I'll link them down below because you don't need any product and it picks up all of the dust. So I do a light dusting of the room and I make sure to vacuum too. You can see how good of a job this does. The vacuum I'm using here is a Dyson. I love it because it's cordless and the charge lasts for about 20 minutes. I'll be sure to link it down below. And then I move on to the other bedrooms. And this is about to get super real.
Spent my time playing the game where every single day was a losing battle.
This is our guest bedroom, my room of shame. I told you guys that I wanted to turn this into a crafting room, which I had full intentions of doing, and then my husband had surgery and was home and was using this bedroom some, and so we realized we couldn't actually take the bed out of the room. And then the whole pandemic thing happened, and we were stuck at home, and half of these items that were supposed to go to other people's houses for makeovers, I couldn't do. And it just made me really sad. So rather than deal with it, I shoved it all into this room and shut the door. If you can relate to this, I'm so glad you're here. The reality is, I make organizing videos on YouTube. I know how to do it. I just didn't have the motivation. Nobody is immune.
How did I get caught? The walls are caving in. How come I got lost in this endless spin?
If I had to make it work, I would make it work. A desk I pulled in from another area of the house. I moved over the bookshelf to be an organizing cube for the Dollar Tree DIYs.
Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I lost my soul. I'm driving to get away. Running through emotions high and low. Holding on and letting go, I'm fighting.
In these Dollar Tree baskets. I intended these for another project, but they look really pretty in my house. I had this old antique cupboard that I pulled into the room to keep the extra Dollar Tree DIYs and my florals in the bottom. It was a super good use of space. And this is what I love about organizing. As I was working, I started to feel that magic, that idea that who can finish what you started? You can. And it motivates you to keep going. Once you feel it, it really makes a difference. You guys, this is a $5 over-the-door shoe organizer, and I cut out the bottom so I could store my wrapping paper and all my gift wrap supplies. I took picture frames from another bathroom, oh well, it will live, and I brought them into this room because I love them here. We've got a space to sleep, a space to work, you'll see this table soon in DIYs, and a space to keep all my crafts. Now let's get down to cleaning business. I love this Dollar Tree window cleaner. I featured this in recent videos. It's one of my favorites. And for the countertops in the bathroom, I've had to clean these more since we've been home. I love this Clorox spray, especially because it disinfects all the nasty viruses that are going around. Now Now I know you know how to clean a toilet, but I want to give you some hacks if you haven't tried these. They are my favorite. Clean your toilet bowl and then drip dry your toilet brush right under the lid. And Pine Sol deodorizes and disinfects. Pour a little into the bottom of your brush bowl and swirl around. And then I go for my floor cleaner. I love my Swiffer Steam Boost Mop. I'll link it down below. You can use the pads or you can use Dollar Tree Sham Wows to put on the bottom of it. You can even put a little bit of Pine Sol into the water dispenser and clean your floors. And I love that it uses heat. I don't know how it happens, but our house is swimming with laundry, even though we only wear pajamas these days. But I try to get a little bit of laundry done every day and have the kids help put away some of their toys. And we use these tidy up baskets to do it. And Carson, one of his chores is to help match our socks. He does a really good job of this. You'll have to let me know in the comments down below if you give your kids chores and what they're good at doing to help around the house. My mom is probably the cleanest and most organized person I know, and as a kid I always watched her take things in multiple loads, and I love using these tidy up baskets. I can put everything in them so I can make less trips up and down the stairs to make cleanup faster. I'm really thankful that she taught me that tip growing up. And this is why I like zone cleaning, because I have all of those things on hand already and it's easy to keep going with my caddy. Next, I usually move on to kitchen tidy-ups and preparing dinner. And something that I love doing is pre-prepared crock-pot meals. I have a whole video on that I'll link down below and on the screen for you guys. It makes it super easy to put a meal in and I don't have to think about it. As I'm tidying up the kitchen, I love to listen to podcasts or things that motivate me and inspire me to keep going. I've been loving The Minimal Mom lately. She's such a great channel, a smaller YouTuber, and you guys should totally check her out. She's awesome. I try to work catch as catch can. I was stopping a lot to play with my kids here and fold in about 10 to 20 minute segments when I can get a few things done, like clean out the sink or disinfect it so I can stay on top of the house but still spend time with my family.
We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better.
One of my favorite tips is to use vinegar and water, put it in the microwave, and run for 2 minutes. It makes it really easy once it's done to wipe down the inside of your microwave. It will be super clean. I don't mind vinegar smell. I actually kind of like it when cleaning. You guys will have to let me know what you like to do in the comments below. I've been trying to pick one thing a day, especially during this pandemic time, that I can do to make my house better. I found these liners to go inside of your drawers in your fridge to help your produce stay fresher longer, especially because we tend to be buying things in bulk. I really like them. I'll be sure to link them in the description box below. Little by little, friends, who can finish what you started? You can.
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us.
If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe so I can catch you in the next one, and I'll see you there. Bye. How have you guys been during this pandemic? We definitely have moments that are great.
It's everywhere. We have enough room to fit 2 plants in there.
And moments that are not so much.
I don't know what I'm doing here.
Oh my goodness, look at Owen's haircut. We are very thankful that hair continues to grow. I hope you guys are hanging in there. I say this because I need to hear it just as much. This too shall pass. Owen, what did you put in my water? Is that slime?